welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to remove green screen in Filmora. Get rid of green screen easy Wondershare Filmora tutorial. So first, to be able to begin, just open the Filmora app onto your device. So once you're already in here, it's time to import the clips that you want to use. So I've added already in here the green screen video wherein I want to go ahead and remove its background. Now, it's time to go ahead and add this here onto the timeline. So you could simply drag and drop the image or video, or you could go ahead and click onto the plus icon in here to add this onto the timeline. So it should go ahead and look something like this. Right after, you'll have to click onto the clip that you just recently added. Right after, here onto the right side under video, we have here the AI tools. So you'll just have to simply click onto AI tools and then turn on this chroma key feature. So once you turn that one on, it will automatically remove the background of the color that is chosen. So if it is not green and it is onto another color, you could simply use the eyedropper tool and then go ahead and point it out onto the color wherein you want to remove the background of it. So as you can see, this is how your video should look like right after removing the green screen. And that is how easy you could go ahead and remove green screen in Filmora. Get rid of green screen easy. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.